Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video. Good news, good news, good news. The interface board for the Retevis RT97L is now available. I'll post that link and how to get one in the description below. How to set it up is also on that website. I have other links on how to set this up. You'd set this up exactly the same way as you set up the Retevis RT97S / Midland MXR10. Which brings me to the next point. This interface board will work with the Midland MXR10, the Retevis RT97S, the Retevis RT97L, and if you know how to solder, you can make an adapter that will plug into here, or take this plug off and you can go ahead and change it to another repeater. That's possible. It will come with the 3D printed box. The box does have mounting tabs on there. Also, this is solar 12 volt solar compatible, meaning that if you want to hook this up direct, you can just leave a little pigtail on the wall wart here, cut it, and then strip the wire back. Black wire is obviously ground, and the other wire is going to be positive, and you can hook this up directly to a 12 volt solar system. You don't need any converters or anything like that. That's another thing that's kind of nice about this. Now, what you're going to need to get separately, you got to purchase separately. It's going to be either a mini PC, laptop, or desktop. Also, you're going to need a USB DB9 adapter and a USB sound card that you got to purchase separately. This can run on a Raspberry Pi running Windows, but there's some limitations to that. My forum does have that image on there. I'll post that link to that, and you can read all about it. So that's if you want to use a Raspberry Pi. If you just want to run, maybe repeater ID or something, maybe repeater ID and weather announcements, or whichever way. But like I said, I'll post that link in the description below. Let's see. I think that's really about it. It will work on 3 different repeater models, possibly even more if you, like I said, if you know how to change the plug or make an adapter. I probably would make an adapter so you don't have to take the plug off. That's what I would do. Yeah, so there you go. If you have any questions or comments, please post down in the comments below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.